Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in Samsung Voice Recorder. Following that, download this free app from this developer and open it. Now just continue. Tap on while using the app or only this time, select allow and click on yes I agree. Now tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same button. If you wish to delete it right away, you need to click on the red button, choose this card over here and tap on delete in the pop-up. If you wish to add a bookmark though, you need to click on this pin icon over here, type wherever you wish to and choose OK. If you wish to end your recording and save it, tap on this icon over here and click on Save at the top right corner. In order to rename your recording, tap on those three dots over here, choose Rename, type wherever you wish to and click on OK. If you wish to get rid of it though, you can always do that by holding it, tapping on this pin icon at the top right corner and selecting Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!